watchmakers from Switzerland, engineers from Germany, technocrats from Japan. Who are we? Many times, who we are is decided by where we come from. That's why the corporate world looks up to managers from the Narsi Monji Institute of Management. And the institute in turn strives to create the best of managers. One of the most reputed B schools in India, the Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, was established in 1981 in Mumbai and later in Bengaluru. Founded by the prestigious Sri Villaparle Kelavani Mandit, the institute has a reputation of having produced very many worthy management graduates. It isn't surprising, coming from one of the 10 best B schools in the country. Narsi Monji Institute now carries its legacy into the friendly city of Hyderabad and offers many more management aspirants an opportunity to pursue their dreams. Located near Tarnaka on the Habsiguda Uppal Road, this plush 55,000 square feet campus has all the prerequisites for imparting world-class education. The postmodern infrastructure creates the right ambience that complements the intrinsic value of the courses offered. Operations of Narsi Monji in Hyderabad began in November 2010 with programs targeted for the working executive. The institution at Hyderabad offers postgraduate diploma in business management for executives as well as full-time PG diploma in management.
NMIMS has a root in the business school, which was set up in 1981. Ever since we became the university, we have today put our footprints in different disciplines. The essence of the school, as I have often said, lies in the fact that we have been innovative, we have been market friendly, and above all, our entire focus has been to develop a cadre of employable young people in this country.
One of the best things about studying in this campus is to have access to its amazing infrastructure. Be it the state-of-art classrooms or the computer labs that you see here are just out of the world.
We have luminaries coming and having workshops that bring in the perspective of the corporate world outside.
The curriculum of NMIMS Hyderabad has been designed such that there is a connectivity between the subjects which are theoretically essential and also the ones which are complement to the industry demands.
I chose Narsi Monji Hyderabad because it has a legacy of providing good quality management education. The approach to lateral thinking and encourage to do project-based learning not just helped me to come out as a good business leader, but also to contribute as an accountable citizen of this country.
We have a well-stocked library. We also have access to international journals and papers such as Harvard Business Review and access to databases like Proves, MBIG Genius, Crystal, etc., where we can have access to all the information that we need in our management studies.
Apart from getting the theoretical knowledge, there are a lot of practical exposures and what as budding managers we require to deal with and learn to be more efficient and effective for the organization and the industry that we'll be working in.
Right now I'm a technical lead at my company, and NMIM has provided this excellent opportunity of doing my executive MBA, wherein I didn't have to sacrifice my full-time job and at the same time get a professional degree from a very reputed institution.
The MPE program at the Narsi Monji has an excellent curriculum program. It's intensive and it gives all the dimensions of the management, and it's also a well-maintained and professional organization.
I have not been exposed to finance, operations, HR as an IT professional, and this is what primarily drove me towards MBA.
Today, the world is growing at a faster pace, growing from local to global. Business has the power to change and create a development scenario in the world. Only an MBA can give me the domain knowledge and skills.
The secret behind these jubilant students at Narsi Monji is an equally enthusiastic faculty.
Excellence is doing something extraordinarily well. We at NMIMS Hyderabad strive to do the same. We are trying to create a climate of academic as well as non-academic experience. There are 8 programs and initiatives when it comes to the non-academic part. First is the value-added workshop that we do on leadership and on Indian values and ethos. Second is the value-added workshop on program management and business analytics. Third is the corporate conclave, which we hold it once every term and on different themes connected with marketing, finance and HR. The fourth is Coffee with Alumni, where there's an interaction of the alumni with the students. Fifth, we do outdoor sports, and the whole idea is to draw lessons on management and leadership from these outdoor sports. Sixth, we have got sports activities. Seventh, we have got cultural events, and last but not the least, and which we feel very proud of, is the WeCare initiative, where our students, they go and work with NGOs. We strongly believe that this will shape up the students and help them to face professional challenges, life's challenges, and bring excellence. At NMIMS Hyderabad, we are striving hard to transcend horizons.
Our aim is to the preferred choice when it comes to industry-academia partnerships and quality management talent. We aim to achieve this by associating with the industry, by working with them towards guest lectures, seminars, allowing the students to work on projects, internships and placements. In this regard, we look forward to visit and host various corporates to initiate and build relationships with them, and also to understand the kind of talent they might be needing in the future. We have workshops, training sessions, interactions with the professionals, a lot of other things which go in long way to prepare the students for the career. All this is achieved by and directed by the Student Placement Committee, which is supported and guided by the faculty and the administration.
The team comprises an ideal blend of people with industry experience as also academic mettle. They are adept in various areas, encompassing management, and bring optimum value through their practical experience. Visiting guest speakers from various industries add to the learning matrix at the institution.
I've really liked talking to the students in NMIMS Hyderabad. I'm very impressed with the energy, the initiative. The students are starting to make a name for themselves in Hyderabad.
I am so pleased to come here and see the facility here and see the depth of the faculty expertise, as well as the kind of the corporate and academia intersection, and the rich dialogue that is happening.
A wide spectrum of activities ensures the holistic well-being of the students as they endeavour through their academic pursuits. These activities have proven to instill a sense of belonging and pride of being associated with Narsi Monji. The institution is equally proud of its alumni who have spread their expertise in various industrial domains.
The value systems that were imbibed upon us, that we were exposed to when at NMIMS, went a long way in grooming us for the years to come. I think that's the biggest takeaway for me from my 2 years at NMIMS.
Awesome.
Chasing excellence.
My stepping stone to change the future.
Fantastic.
World class. Inspiring.
My dream school of management.
As it treads through yet another year of achievements, the institution strives to answer our initial question better. We are among the best, and we come from Narsi Monji, Hyderabad.